Creating a bird-friendly garden, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting topic that combines the beauty of nature with the love of birds, creating a bird-friendly garden. This is not just about planting a few flowers. It's about making a safe and welcoming space for birds right in your backyard. Let's dive into how you can do this, and along the way, we'll learn some new English phrases and vocabulary related to gardening and wildlife. Before we start digging into the soil, let's understand what bird-friendly means. A bird-friendly garden is designed to support the life of birds in several ways. This includes providing food, shelter, and water. But why make a garden bird-friendly? Well, it helps birds thrive by offering them a safe habitat, especially in urban areas where natural spaces are limited. Plus, watching birds can be a delightful experience for you and your family. Food for the birds. One of the key aspects of a bird-friendly garden is providing a variety of food sources. This can be achieved by planting native plants, shrubs, and trees that produce seeds, berries, and nectar. Consider installing bird feeders filled with seeds and nuts to attract different bird species. Water is life. Birds need water for drinking and bathing, so including a water feature like a bird bath or a small pond can make your garden even more inviting. Ensure the water is clean and replenished regularly. Shelter and nesting sites. Providing shelter is crucial for birds' survival, especially during extreme weather and for raising their young. Dense shrubs, tall trees, and birdhouses can offer the perfect refuge for birds to nest and stay safe from predators. Creating a bird-friendly garden is not just beneficial for birds, it's also great for the environment and for people. Gardens like these support biodiversity, help control pests naturally, and can improve the mental health and well-being of those who care for and enjoy them. Plus, it's a wonderful way to connect with nature and learn more about the local wildlife. Thank you for joining us today to learn about creating a bird-friendly garden. We hope this video inspires you to start your own garden project and enjoy the company of birds in your outdoor space. Remember, making a garden bird-friendly is a step towards preserving our wildlife and contributing to a healthier planet. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy gardening and bird watching!